Hi, this is Dennis from Hawkbait Loft. I'm going to check on the last of my first round of 2018 young birds. Almost all my birds now are on their second round of eggs anyway. I had a few that were a little late in laying. There we go. Here, Mama's got a couple little babies over here. Now these are full brother-sister matings. They just happen to mate up. And then I got two little blue bar babies down here with their mom. And I got hens sitting on eggs all over the place. I think this pair here just had a couple little babies hatched. Yeah, they got a couple little tiny ones. Then I got a pair of red chicks up here. They're down out of my my mean red biter bird. And she's laid back again. The biter's baby's laid back again. Okay, guys. Almost all these birds in here are laid back, except for two pair. Here, I got a couple little babies here. Come here. You see your babies. Beautiful little silver baby. Gorgeous. And a little blue bar baby. Put him up there. Beautiful pair of birds, I'm telling you. They're down here with their silver dad. And their mom's already laid back. So that's cool. Here's my 15-year-old hen up here. She had one baby, and she's sitting on 2 eggs, and one of them's fertile, so she'll have another baby this round. She's the hen I call Madonna. She's a wild one, boy. I tell you, she don't like you messing around. Here's another nice hen of mine, a real sweetheart. And she got a couple eggs. So, like I said, most of my birds are on the second round. So here's a couple babies down here. Dark check white flights, right here. Here's a sweet little hen. She made it to her half brother. And, oh, she just had a baby hatch. I'll be darned. Oh, she had 2 hatch. Let me get this out there, girl. Oh, there they are. How cute. Then I got 2 little blue check guys up here. I don't know if you can see them. Kind of dark. Fight you little guys. They'll fight you too, boy. I like that. I like that spunk. And in here I got another little blue bar baby right here. He's a cute little one. I think it's going to be a little hen. She's really pretty. She's a blue bar white flight. She'll fight me too. And this is my biter, red biter here, the meanie. I call him the red meanie. He just tear me up. And those are his kids, and I'll guarantee you that will transfer to those babies right there because it comes right down the tube. His father was like that, his grandfather was like that, and his great-grandfather was like that. Very, very protected, but they're very good parents. They don't pick on other birds, they just pick on people like me. Well, we'll go over and see how my first round of young birds are doing. Here's some of my first round young birds. I've already sold about 12 out of here. And these guys are little fighters too. Watch this guy. Pretty tough. Some of these guys are real tough, boy. I think they are anyway. I've got 8 leaving out of here, but I still got more for sale. If anybody's interested. They're $65 a piece. in groups of 4. Anything less than 4 is $75 a piece, and they come from really good flying pigeons that I've flown over the years, and I've won all kinds of awards. But there's some really good ones in here, from short, middle distance, and some real good long distance birds in here. Isn't that right, young fella? I've got 2 more on this side. Got 2 more babies right here. They're about ready to move over. Right here. 2 little blue bars. Boy, are they built good. Really nice. And this is my little sweet hen here. I call Annie. I call her Annie. She's real cute. She wants to mate up, but and there's a couple extra cocks in here, but she's having a hard time to mate up. She thinks I'm the greatest thing since sliced bread. Then I got 1 more little baby. Oh, he's back here behind the door. You can't see him. He's a little blue bar too. Little blue bar baby. Yeah, I keep my straw in this room, but I gotta make it to where he can get out and get fed. Isn't that right, sweetie? Isn't that right, girl? Is that right, huh? Well, that's about it. Like I say, if you're interested in any of these young birds, just give me a call at area code 530-891-6967. Tell them, boy. Tell them. Oh, leave me alone. Well, this is Dennis from Hawk Bait Lofts. Until next time, bye-bye.